So without any further ado, Tobias, are you there?
Always, as you know, we do in the Scout.
Perfect. Good to have you, Tobias. Please share a couple of words on EFESO Consulting for us.
Yes, thank you, Magnus and Linda, for this occasion. I will not spend time on EFESO Consulting. I will spend some time sharing with you a very interesting upcoming award event that will take place in the space that Magnus was so well introducing in our fantastic Industry 4.0 domain. So I will switch to sharing, and now you have to tell me if it works or not. So let me know when you can see something.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
So just one word first then about who we are that are introducing this Industry 4.0 award that I'm going to talk about. EFESO is a consulting firm that is a world leader in operations manufacturing systems, you can say. And we've been around for more than 50 years, basing all our thinking on foundational elements like Shingo, Toyota Way, and everything that comes along with that. We have an Industry 4.0 practice, which is called RY EFESO. It's based out of beautiful Munich in Germany, where you have very nice beer, but also fantastic industrial developments. And in our simple world, when we look at it from our 27 countries where we operate, I think it's fantastic that we have in Europe the core, let's say the core market for driving the development of Industry 4.0, which we see as Germany at this point. But we in the Nordics, we want to be part of that as well. So what I'm going to share with you now is something maybe one or two of you saw last year, that we soft launched in the Nordics an Industry 4.0 awards competition. And it's now the 9th year that we launched this, if you look upon it with German eyes, but it's the 2nd year that we do it here in the Nordics. And this year we will do it a little bit more. And I really urge you to consider, especially those of you who have some kind of fascinating or groundbreaking, innovative Industry 4.0 solution that you somewhere have implemented with one of your clients, or if you are a player of size here, I would really recommend to apply for it. It is really a way to gauge yourself against what's happening in Europe and in one of the core markets in Germany. But it will also be several Nordic applicants this year. We already know it from our client base. So to round off, basically, in order to rank yourself, and also those that qualify for the final assessment, those are the final round, they also get a free of charge assessment. And those that get that will also get a significant exposure worldwide. And if you are one of the 3-4 winners that are every year are appointed, it will mean a lot of exposure worldwide. So I'm super happy to invite you all to participate in the Industry 4.0 award. You can go to the webpage, or you can contact me or my colleague Martin, I'm based in Stockholm normally when I'm not traveling, and Martin is based in Gothenburg, and our colleague Anna, who is coordinating this whole event from Munich. So I invite you to challenge yourself or your clients and form part of this. So I really urge you, if you have something, it doesn't need to be a full deployment inside a big corporation worldwide, but it can also be a very interesting and powerful pilot to go in here, because it can get a lot of echo around the world. And the jury, as Magnus is saying, consists of, I would say, the top 20 corporations that are, and their C-levels. It's either CEO or the chief technology officer of those companies. Companies like Bosch, Siemens, also Volkswagen and others that are really on top of things here. So yeah, just feel free.